DevTech is a manufacturer's representative for HVAC, commercial systems, and building automation solutions. We've been using CRM and GP for over 4 years. We have actually 5 businesses within one, and they each have their own account within GP. The ability to start in one place and it filter out into all the different businesses within GP. So we have one place to house all of our accounts and information, and then it disperses out towards the different businesses on the back end, and nobody has to know that there's a difference on the front end. So it makes it easy for people to do business on a day-to-day basis internally. The benefits I see with CRM and GP is the ability to upgrade. It seems that the upgrades go pretty smoothly, and there's continual upgrades every year, every 6 months, and you have the ability to do it, or you can hold off and you can wait and see what else comes out in the future to say this is going to be a better application for our situation. Just like today, I realized that there's Field 1 that will go to field service, so we're excited to see what that has to offer for our business. The minute I started working with the company I am with now, Socius became a consultant for us. So it's been since conception for me. So what's been great is it's like a family atmosphere working with Socius, being able to lean on them for support and know that they have our best interest at heart. That has been super helpful for me because I can ask honestly and I'll get an honest answer. It's not always about benefiting that company. It's about benefiting our company and what they can do, because they're looking also at the long-term results. How can we leverage our relationship to continually be involved in their growth of their business? And I do believe that over the past 5 years that we've been working with Socius, that our business has increased exponentially due to our partnership.